Guys, so I thought I'd give you an update. It's been a few weeks, I think, that I made a video. So actually a lot happened. I lost my job for no apparent reason. I've been applying for a lot of jobs, so I've been busy writing and calling, and also as a firefighter I'm in training, so it takes a lot of time. But I'm also been busy ordering parts, and from now on I just want to give you an update. So we're like, would say 1/3 of the project is done, but all the parts are here, or like 95%. And I will start working intensively the coming weeks. So the videos will follow in a sequence, like 1 or 2 videos a week, and then finish it. So just to give you like some details, let's check it. So you have here, like, this is the steering, got from Drive. It's a fat bar, right? It comes with this. It would be nice. So you see I removed it. I didn't make a video out of it. I've done it like in the middle of all the chaos. I needed some time off, but I will do the installation. And I'll also show you next video how to remove these. As you can see, this one is pretty damaged. So I have another one. Still have to remove the old bearing and add new ones. So that's the first job. And also, finally, after 5 weeks of waiting, look at that. They come in from the factory like this. They charge you 200 euros for it, but yeah, the real deal. So that's like for in a few days, weeks. Clean up the whole system, because as you can see, like this one as well, there's mold. So all the cables I need to clean up. Then basically I'll also show you a few other things that I already videoed before. Some nice thing to see as well. Got these as well. These are from the 2018 model. Also a nice thing, huh? Okay, so that's a small update on how it's going. So sorry about that, but it will be fine from now on. I really hope you learn something from it and it helps, and always feel free to comment and share and help me. Okay, cheers.